5 simple steps to fitting an aftermarket steering wheel.
So today we're going to show you guys how to install an aftermarket wheel. We have a Momo Heritage Line beautiful mahogany wheel here, and we're going to be putting it into the Jaguar X-Type because we need mahogany in the Jaguar X-Type, aren't we?
We need a bit more wood in here.
We do. So we're going to show you 5 easy steps how to install one of these. We've got the horn, we've got the Boss kit, and yeah, you can buy this steering wheel plus more on the Car Throttle shop.
Step 1. Disconnect your battery and wait a couple of minutes. This ensures that you don't accidentally deploy your airbag when removing your current steering wheel. Step 2. Unscrew the steering wheel cover that houses the airbag and horn. Once the cover is removed, you'll be able to safely disconnect the wiring to the airbag. Step 3. Ensuring that the steering wheel and wheels of the car are straight and with the airbag out of the way, unscrew the bolt that attaches your old steering wheel to the hub. After that, remove the steering wheel. Step 4. Feed through your horn wire and mount your new hub adapter. And remember, hub adapters are car specific, so make sure you buy the right one. Step 5. Place the spacer on top of the hub adapter, fit your awesome new steering wheel with the screws provided, wire up your horn and slot it into place. Don't forget to reconnect your battery and test the horn. And voila! After only around 15 minutes, you've completely transformed the look of your car's interior. We have over 50 steering wheels in our store, so don't forget to hit the link in the description and explore our selection of interior accessories. And yes, we ship worldwide.
So today we're going to show you how to change your original gear stick into a nice aftermarket gear stick, and you can see here that we've got a lovely Momo gear knob here which we're going to use to complete the look of our X-Type off-roader.